we are looking at how to say this famous tongue twister to improve your English pronunciation. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting tongue twisters too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say this one? Can you can a can as a canna can a can? But of course, for it to be a real tongue twister, you need to say it faster, as in, can you can a can as a canna can a can? Or, can you can a can as a canna can a can? Can you can a can as a canna can a can? That's the type of things you want to train about to improve your English pronunciation. Can you can a can as a canna can a can? For example. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting tongue twisters and more interesting words that are so often mispronounced in English. After watching those, you won't anymore. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.